Hello and welcome to a new video from Digidesignresort. My name is Monia, and in this video we are going to create some donut boxes. Yes, these are these beautiful boxes you can see here, maybe for your next party, and you can create them best with our templates I show you in a second. This month we are on our creative world tour from Australia to Mexico, and we are already deep into exploring the country, the animals, the nature, and all the delicious food they have. But before we go any further, may I ask you to please subscribe to our channel, click the little bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video, and hit the like button. So now let's get started. So here's the material you need for the donut boxes. Have the templates printed, the background paper on the one hand and the elements on the other hand. Beside that you need some glue and adhesive tape and a scissor. That's all you need to get these beautiful boxes done. They are perfect for summer parties or maybe your kid's birthday party if you choose the theme is Mexico. Yeah, and why not? If it's summer, it's a perfect theme for a party. So, and beside that, you can also always have it for your next dinner when you plan a Mexican food evening or whatever you can think. And of this whole month, we have nice accessories for this kind of stuff. And the next video, for example, we are going to create a coaster. So yeah, it will be pretty much fun, I can promise. And last week you might have checked out our trade boxes, which are also perfect for that because everything perfectly goes together. So now let's get started by cutting out the donut boxes. I have printed out two, one with this cream paper and one with a blue paper, and you always see on the back of them you see the treat boxes, and you just have to cut them out and then we fold them and get them together. Basically that's it. It's so easy to do. You can do a huge amount of different donut boxes even with these few elements and papers because you can always combine them in a new way. So it's a wonderful DIY craft you can also do with your kids, or maybe it might be an idea to do it during a birthday party with your kids' birthday party actually, and then after that you give anyone a nice donut to put into these donut boxes. Don't you think that would be fun? So all the dashed lines you see are the parts which needs to be folded, and you see me folding fore and back just because it makes life a lot easier later when I get it all together. So make sure you fold really well, and then we can grab our adhesive tape and get the little box together. I really like this thin adhesive tape for that task because it makes my life so much easier to put it on it and even to glue it together. It's so easy, and I just need to put it basically on there and then put it together, and then you already see how your donut box will look. So now you can start decorating your box. Just grab the piece of paper with all these cute elements and cut them out. I usually leave a white line around them. It makes my life so much easier cutting that out, and your kids can also easily do that. So maybe it's an idea for you as well, or you cut it out really precisely. That's totally up to you, of course, but you just get all the elements from the paper you want for your donut box. I just decided that I put a few elements on the front and on the back. That's the beauty of printable, because you can print them out as often as you wish, and even if you don't have some anymore, you just go ahead and print out your sheet once again, and then you can glue as many elements on your donut box as you want to, or wherever you want to. They are of course not always just for the donut boxes. Why not put them somewhere else? For that task I use the glue stick. I believe it's much better to glue it with that one onto the box, except and not with the adhesive tape, but of course again it's totally up to you, but you know, it's much better, much easier to use that, and you are more precise, and yeah, it's all better filled with glue, so I believe that's better. Oops, I just did it again. I grabbed now the blue paper and cut it out once again, and once again I use my adhesive tape and put it on the little edges here and put the whole thing together once again. Yeah, that's it. Then you have 2 donut boxes, but we see how it looks in just a second. I decided to add a few cacti of the sheet, and I know, you know, it fits perfectly to the alpaca, but it's different as well, so I just picked those and put them on the donut box. You find even more of these Mexican elements in our scented scrapper cup, where you also find these templates and the sheet with the stickers, and they are just available there, so maybe you decide to check it at least out. It is well worth it, because there are tons of tutorials and whatever you can think of for your digital endeavors here. There are so many different things you can do, and I really hope I can show them all to you here on our channel, so check out the other videos as well. You will find a lot of great things you can do. Yeah, that's it from me for today. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if so, I really hope to see you in the next one. Until then, bye.